guys, so hopefully you guys know that what you see here, I got KylieSkin by Kylie Jenner. Oh! And then it comes with this note. Hope you guys love your KylieSkin products. This is just the beginning. Love, Kylie. Even though this is like sent to probably everybody. And then you get in this lovely package. And then I have, well, I ordered multiple. So I have KylieSkin Vitamin C Serum. I have another one of the serums. So I have two of those. Then I have the eye cream. The face moisturizer. Sorry that this is taking too long. The walnut face scrub. Oh my god. Everybody's going to be talking about this, being like, oh my god, how could you get that? Then I got the vanilla milk toner. I love the packaging. So pretty. So beautiful. Then I got the foaming face wash. Face wash. Gee. Okay. But just wanted to give you the update on that. Just trying to put it back, but oh my god, I finally got my hands on it. I had to wait for the restock, but you know what? Totally worth it. So hopefully you guys get to see me check out all of these products. I'm so excited. Okay, bye.